Hi, this is Haripriya.
Hi, I'm Haripriya and I'm a content strategist.
A successful content strategist working for one of the leading print media companies in India. And she believes that the key to loving one's job lies in the time actively spent to identify one's calling.
Inconsistent. That was something I was labeling myself with. Okay, I'm not sticking to one thing. I keep on experimenting. So at one point, I was actually judging myself to be an inconsistent person. But right now, I am unlearning the fact that I'm unlearning the definition that inconsistency is bad. No, it's not. You are just being brave, trying new things. And I think I'm really grateful right now for the fact that I have been inconsistent. But now I would call it like I am being consistent at trying new things. Maybe I can change the narrative that way, right? So I'm very grateful I got to work with, big brands, different people, much experience than me. But I found out that eventually you figure it out, and there is a place you reach where you know what you're doing. There is this one core that you identify and you see where it clicks in each of the role that you do. So even as a school student, I was a lot into art and doing creative stuff. I was into theater and things like that. So I always knew that I wanted to do something creative and not go with the usual stream of studies. It was a struggle convincing my parents to get into this when I went into university, picking media as my specialization. So initially what I knew was that there is something called content writing. That's it, right? But when it comes to content strategist, it's much more that you do for a brand. You don't just talk about the brand, but you also look at how that brand can be seamlessly integrated into the content that exists. Be it print or radio or television. So this gives you a much larger creative space to work on. So a brand brief comes in and you see how the content that you have in hand can be integrated with what the brand wants to communicate. So it's kind of a role that bridges both, and I feel there is a lot of responsibility that comes along with it, right? You cannot just force fit a brand into what people are watching. People will not take it. People are smart. So it is a challenge to take the brand to the people, not thrusting them into their heads, thrusting the brand into their heads, but telling them a story about the brand with the content that you have. And I think that's the canvas that I am working in. I really love working in this space. You have a brief, you have to crack that idea. Yes, of course, you have deadlines to meet, but you need to calm yourself down and be in your element and do some mind mapping, do some sketching. Actually you look for, you go and read up irrelevant stuff so that you find some spark there. But then you don't stop yourself there. You still keep thinking laterally, and then you crack one idea. That moment is something that high, nothing can ever match it. And that eureka moment is something I live for in a day. So there has been a point in life where I've given into peer pressure, looking at other people's life, my friends who have had a linear path of growth, and I have seen myself in the mirror and asked, where is my life heading to? I've been, and truly speaking, I have jumped roles very quickly also, and it has put me down in a place. I've had interviews where I was questioned, how can I pay you when you have taken a 6-month break? Answering all those hard questions to myself. Right now, wherever I am in, I have realized that success is what you define for yourself. I am happy being in this place and I define this as success. There is no only when you get somewhere you can feel happy. No, I don't want to believe that. You can choose happiness right where you are, and I'm happy because I got to experiment with so many things. I was introduced to a totally new avenue of brand solutions and content strategy, right? If I had not experimented, I would have not ended up here. So I'm happy I did it. and it has given me so many opportunities to experiment as well and find who I am. I think only because I was open to experimenting, I have reached where I am, is what I feel.